How to get circle icon in Niagara Launcher. Long press on any empty space on your home screen. Tap on the option Niagara Settings. Once you do that, you'll be able to find various options. Tap on the option Themes. Tap on the option Edit Current Theme that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, tap on this icon that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to select the app icons. Tap on the option Default. Now once you do that, you'll have to choose your style. You'll be able to find the options like circle, square, rounded, square. Tap on the option circle that you can see at top. Tap on the option Continue. Tap on the right icon that you can see at top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to get the circle icons. Like this, you can get circle icons on Niagara Launcher. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.